Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is January 27th, 2021. Okay, so um, hope you guys are doing well. Hope that you're healthy. Hey, so yesterday I had you guys work on your, um, I had you work on doing a flyer. Okay, and this flyer was based on drought and what we can do to reduce the effects of the devastation from drought. Okay, so um, as you can see on today's canvas, I have a link for you to upload that. I would like to see that. Just take a picture of it and upload that. So go ahead and do that, please. That'd be great. And then I'll get you points for your efforts with those. If you're not quite finished, let's take a few minutes and go ahead and finish and get those uploaded. Okay. All right, for today's lesson, we are at the very end of our workshop. Okay, so that's a positive thing. We're going to be moving on. But anyway, before we finish, I'd like to do this end of workshop checkpoint. Okay, and these are all vocab words that we've focused on. Okay, we got decline, demand, essential, indirect, process, reduce, and system. Okay, so um, all right, so this right here, this is an analogy. Okay, so if you adore somebody and you dislike somebody, okay, are those the sames or are those opposites? Are those the same or are they opposite? Okay, adore to dislike, okay, those are opposite, right? So the opposite of increase would be which of these words? Probably decline, right? Okay, so you would write increase to decline. If you increase speed, that means that you go faster. If you decline speed, you're slowing down. Okay, all right, so right here, dislike is the opposite of adore, right? Likewise, blank is the opposite of increase. What word did you put there? You should put there also. Okay, all right, so if you guys, I want you to do 2, 3, 4, and 5 on your own. Okay, I will, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to send this to Mr. Mata so that he can print a few off and bring down to you guys. Okay, so I want you to do this end of workshop checkpoint. Okay, pretty easy, and get that uploaded. Okay, those of you at home, if you don't have a printer that works, I don't care if you even just get a piece of lined paper and you write adore, dislike as increase to blank. Just write them down. Write them down on a blank piece of paper, take a picture of it, and turn it in. Okay. However, I did put this onto Canvas so that if you do have a printer at home, you can just click on it and print it. Click and print, and you should be good to go there. Okay. So let's kind of go with that. That'd be great. Um, we'll start there. Okay. Other than that, guys, I need you to make sure that you're getting in. You're doing some reading, passing some quizzes. In fact, let's go ahead and let's take a look at where we're at with our word count. Okay. Okay. All right. So we need to pick it up. Okay. We were doing awesome. Oh no, we've dominated. Is where we're at. Great job. That's awesome. Okay, but let's keep going. So our best month was 104,877. January up to now 153,395. That's awesome. Okay, we will when I get back we will celebrate. Okay, good job. Proud of you. But let's make sure that we are that we're getting our time in with that. Okay, Read 180 student application. Let's take a look at that really quickly. Okay, and we're doing pretty well there. Okay, January 24th to 30th. Okay, we're up there in the 15 to 16 minute range. Okay, so good. Let's keep that up. Okay, let's make sure that we're up there in the 15-minute range. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause this. Hopefully you guys have a great day, and reach out to me through email or Canvas or Zoom while you're in my class. Have an awesome day, guys. Thanks.